Hey guys, my hair's a mess. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my makeup collection part 2, and it is specifically on my liquid lips that I have, drugstore and high-end, and I hope that you like this. I don't really have anything else to say. So let's just get into it. Alright, so now we are talking about liquid lipsticks and some lip glosses because I don't have that many, so I'm just gonna lump them into here. So here are my two little liquid lipstick thingies, and I bought these off of Amazon. So here are all of my ColourPop ones. I have a problem. I'm obsessed with ColourPop, apparently. So I'm gonna save all of my ColourPop for another video, and just know that there's a lot, and I'm going to swatch them for you and talk about why I like them and all of that fun stuff. So let's move on to the other ones in the fam. So this one is from LA Girl, and it is their Flat Finish Pigment Gloss. Now this is not glossy at all. It dries down matte, and it is rough to take off. However, it is very pretty red orange that I'm just obsessed with during the summertime. And honestly all the time, but you know, during the summertime is when it's socially acceptable. And I love this guy. I love her. She's nice, even though she's hard to take off. Here's a lip gloss from e.l.f. It is their Lip Lacquer. I mean, I just wanted a clear one. It's fine. It's like not the world's greatest thing, not the world's worst thing. It does what I need it to. This is from Covergirl. It is their Melting Pout Matte. Now, I am figuring out if I like this. It's in the shade Ballerina. I haven't tried this on my lips yet, but I like the way that it swatches. It's really pretty. I think it'll be a nice nudie color. This is from Magical Halo. It is their long-lasting liquid lip in the shade 14. I did a video on this and on this one right here. I'm pretty sure that I liked how both of these performed. When I tried them in the video, I'll link it. I didn't give it a fair shot and put a liquid, oh my gosh, and put a lip liner underneath. I want to do that, and they were $2, so, and I have a thing for dark lips. Duh. You know, it was fine on my lips. Same with this one. It is in the shade 12 from MissYoung. It's their Fashion Matte, and it definitely is a little bit different than how it looks in the bottle. In the bottle, it has definitely a lighter purple feel to it. And when it's swatched or on the lips, it has, swatched on the lips, it definitely has a darker undertone to it, which I really like. I think this one will look really good on top of a lip liner. This right here is one of my favorite, no this isn't it, JK. This is from e.l.f. It is their Lip Pumping lip gloss, and it is in the shade Raspberry Truffle Kiss. I like their other one, maybe this isn't Plumping. Nope. I don't think so. I think it's just a lip gloss, but I think it's a really nice color, and it's pretty cheap, and I haven't actually used this. I need to use this sometime. I'll keep you updated. This is the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. It is in the shade Mocha Twist. All-time favorite, freaking favorite lip gloss ever. This is what got me into lip glosses. And it's just pretty on top of everything or on its own. I love it. It's great. It's not too bad in terms of plumping. So this is another lip gloss from e.l.f. and it is in the shade Blackberry Kiss. And I don't know how I feel about this. It's kind of more liquidy than this one was. And I have not tried this out, but it might be really pretty over top of a dark lip. So I definitely need to give that a try. Okay, so here are the high-end liquid lipsticks that I have. This is from Tarte. It is in the shade Chihuahua. It is one of those melted ones where it has this little guy. I absolutely love this. And it's such a pretty color. It's what got me really into mauve-y liquid lips. Definitely one of my faves. This is from Ciate London. It is their glitter flip that they have. It's in the shade Infamous, which I felt was the most wearable shade, and it definitely works. I did a video reviewing this. I'll link it for you, and I just can't get rid of it because it's just such a unique product, which I feel like Ciate London does a lot. This is from Girlatik. It's their matte lip paint in the shade Demure. This is probably one of my favorite ones. I don't really know if this is high-end. I kind of forget the price of this. But it's such a pretty little mauve-y color that has like a, you know, a nice like berry undertone to it, and it feels great on the lips. This is from Urban Decay, and it is their Vice Liquid Lipsticks in the shade Trivial. This is a glitter color. It is really pretty, and I don't wear it like I used to because it does wear. However, I just cannot get rid of it because it is one of the first lipsticks, whatever you want to call it, lip something, that I bought when I was starting to do my channel, and it just holds a lot of sentimental value to me. So no matter if I don't wear it, and I liked it, it's just not one of my favorites. I can't give this up just based on what it means to me. This is from the Beauty Crop, and it is their Girl Power Liquid Lipstick. It's a matte, and it is in the shade Date Night. This is really pretty. I freaking love this color. It's not any different from the mauve colors that I have, but I like the formula. I like the way that it lasts on my lips. It's cruelty-free. I like what it empowers, and I don't want to get rid of it. This is from the Pretty Vulgar, and is a metallic lip in the shade My Lips Are Sealed. I don't wear metallic lips, but I do like this color and the packaging, and the formula was nice. I've used it like one time in the BoxyCharm video where I received it. But I don't have any metallic lips, so I feel like I should probably keep this. This is from Buxom, and it is their full-on lip cream in the shade Dolly. Now this is a very pretty iridescent pinky lip gloss that I need to start wearing because it's freaking beautiful. And I've forgotten that I had this. I don't know why they call it a lip cream. It's a lip gloss in my opinion, but you know, no tea, no shade. This doesn't need to be in here. It's the Hula Ultra Plush lip gloss. I don't wear it, so it needs to go. This is from Ofra Cosmetics. It is their long-lasting liquid lipstick. Oh, it doesn't have the shade name on here. Man, I can't remember what this is called off the top of my head, but it's definitely different than what I have. And that's why I want to hold on to it, and I love the formula. This is probably one of my more favorite formulas other than ColourPop's. And it's just a nice berry color that I don't have in my collection, so I feel like I need to hold on to it. This is from Bobbi Brown. I got confused when I first used this and kind of jacked her up a little bit. But it is in the shade English Rose. It's their liquid lip. I don't like the applicator, and she might be dried out. Okay. But it's a very pretty like berry color, but I think it's time to move on just by how rough that was. This is from Kat Von D, and it is in the shade Ludwig. Yes. And can I just say how cute this even little, you know, deluxe sample packaging is. I like this color. I think I'll like it with a deeper color, underneath, because it's not really a good shade match for my skin tone. But I really like the formula, so it's kind of hard for me to part with. And then last but not least, this is from Tarte. Is one of their Tartiest lip paints in the shade Rosé. Yeah, this is a really nice nude color that I need to give more of a chance in my life. And that's everything for this video. I hope that you do like these types of videos. I really enjoy makeup collections because it just gives me a nice idea on some things that I want to buy, and gives you know a really quick review of some products, and really just gives you more exposure to products in one little video rather than like piecing it together or waiting until like the best of videos. So if you do like these types of videos, please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up so that I know and you want to see more of these videos. Well, so that I know that you want to see more of these videos. There's just a weird glare on my teeth. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that little notification bell so you can be notified every single time that I post. Follow me on all my social medias, you know the drill, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!